Assalamualaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health inshallah. As you know, we are continuing the topics of inheritance and our today's topic is DNA replication. Define DNA replication. During replication, the DNA double helix is unwound and the two strands are separated much like the two sides of a zipper. Each strand acts as a template to produce another strand. Each template and its new strand together form a new double helix identical to the original. It is an important MCQ. And the definition of DNA replication can also be selected as an important MCQ. Define DNA. DNA is the genetic material, that is, it contains the instructions to direct all the functions of cells. It is the definition of DNA. It performs its role by giving instructions for the synthesis of specific proteins. It is the definition of DNA. How does the DNA of chromosome work? The answer of this question is there. Well students, this is the figure how does DNA replicates and this is an important diagram regarding short questions. What is the function of DNA? Is the question over here. DNA controls the sequence of amino acid by the sequence of its nucleotides, and traits are made by specific proteins. This is an important MCQ. This page contains an important short question that is differentiate between transcription and translation. The answer of this question starts from the specific sequence of DNA nucleotide is copied in the form of messenger RNA nucleotides. This process is called transcription, while the translation is the mRNA carries the sequence of its nucleotide to ribosomes. The ribosome reads this sequence and joins specific amino acids according to its to form protein. This step is called translation. This is the difference between transcription and translation. Next is the definition of gene, which we studied earlier too, and here is the definition of genes. The last definition is of loci or locus. The location or positions of genes on chromosome are known as loci singular locus. Alright students, the definition of transcription may be selected as important MCQ, and likewise the definition of translation, gene and locus or loci. All these definitions can also be asked in the form of MCQs. What is the role of gene is the first question over here. Each gene determines a particular trait in an organism. Each individual carries at least one pair of genes for each trait. This is the function or role of gene. Moving towards MCQs. Both members of a gene pair may be the same in some individual and different in others. Next, the definition of alleles. The alternate forms of a gene are called alleles. If an individual has A, capital A, small gene pair, then capital A and small a are the alleles of one another. This is the definition of alleles. What do you know about the separation of chromosomes? Next question is, what do you know about the separation of alleles? The answer of this question is given there. The alternate forms of gene are called alleles. It is also an important MCQ. Students, there are some important definitions on this page, like that of genotype and albinism, as well as homozygous genotype and heterozygous genotype. There are some important definitions, and starting from the first definition, that is of genotype, The specific combination of genes in an individual is known as genotype. How many types of genotype are there? Genotype may be of two types, that is homozygous genotype and heterozygous genotype. What do you know about the albinism? Albinism is a disease or it is a condition in which normal body pigments are absent. This is the definition of albinism. Differentiate between homozygous and heterozygous genotype, and here is the difference between these two types of genotypes. The definition of albinism or genotype may be selected as an important MCQ, and there are two types of genotype. It is also another MCQ. The genotype in which the gene pair contains two different alleles, capital A and small a, it is called heterozygous genotype. Two other definitions are also described here. Define dominant allele. When in heterozygous condition, one allele masks or prevents the expression of the other, it is called dominant allele. And the next definition is of recessive allele. The allele which is not expressed in heterozygous condition, it is called recessive allele. Define phenotype is the next question. The expression of a genotype in the form of trait, for example being albino or having normal pigmentation, is known as phenotype. The definition of genotype we have discussed earlier, and here it is a definition of phenotype. These two definitions may be asked in the form of differentiation. Differentiate between phenotype and genotype, and then you have to write the definition with proper examples. Moving towards MCQs. Albinism is a recessive trait, not dominant. The dominant alleles are represented by capital letters and recessive alleles by lowercase letters. A dominant allele only suppresses the expression of recessive allele. It doesn't affect its nature. The last MCQ on this page. Okay, thank you students.